Welcome back to JohnnyWaffleVision. Today we've got ourselves a Vivid Voltage pack. Let's see what happens. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm back, by the way. Sorry it's been a little while. Things have been a little rough, but hey. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Start off with a water energy. Duat, Opal, Matang, Rockruff, Talo, Yanma, Wooper, Dedenne, Reverse Hollow Choodle, and what do we got? There we go! Full Art Beauty! Heck of a hit! Let's go! This is JohnnyWaffleVision signing out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.